Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites: basic HTML/CSS and Node. JS installed. Start with a tiny project, one HTML file, one JS file, and run it with Node or Live Server. Once done, practice console. Log and debugger statements to understand flow. Make sure to learn ES6 features early because they simplify patterns you'll reuse. You'll write small scripts that manipulate the DOM, fetch APIs, and handle events. You now move into the complex middle. Build progressively larger projects and add one feature at a time. Once you finish a basic to-do app, introduce async data fetching and error handling. This teaches real-world timing and failure modes. Make sure to add tests and linting so you catch regressions early. Tests force you to design cleaner functions. You'll also use Git branches for experiments, refactor iteratively, and read other people's code to widen your mental models and idioms. You finish by polishing and deploying. Optimize critical paths, add source maps, and push a stable branch to a hosting platform. Once deployed, monitor errors and performance metrics so you know where to focus next. If things go wrong, isolate a minimal reproducible case. That lets you add a unit test and run git bisect to locate the regression. Make sure to document fixes and learning points so each issue improves your workflow and reduces future friction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.